In number 3, it says 2 lines meet at a point, which is also called the vertex of an angle. Set up and solve the equation for x and y. Since y is creating a 90-degree angle with this other piece here, we can write an equation that says y plus 28 is equal to 90, because right angles have 90 degrees. These are also called complementary angles because they add up to 90, complementary. To solve, we want to remove 28 from both sides. These add to 0, and this leaves you with 52. Yes, 52. No. That's supposed to be an 8. 62. Come on, Miss Gallagher, get it together. 62. Sorry, my math it's been a long day. Number 3 also has the x that we need to solve for. And x is this piece here. It's more than one part. We now know that y is 62. And we know that this whole thing, let me change colors here. This whole thing here is a straight angle, which is 180 degrees. So we can use x, which is the part that we want in blue, and the 62 that we just found to figure out what x is. When we subtract 62 from both sides, these add to 0. Borrow. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So x is 118 degrees. In number 4, we have this right angle that exists right here. And right angles are 90 degrees. The two parts that make up those 90 degrees are the 79 and the t. We use the curly t just so we don't mistake it as a plus sign. To remove the 79, we have to subtract. 79 minus 79 is 0. So t is the only thing left. And then on this side, 10 minus 9 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. Which means t must be 11 degrees. This is an S, not a 5. We also need to solve for S. I know that this is a straight angle because it forms a straight line. So S plus 79, 11, and 19 should add up to 180 because we have that straight line. 79 and 11 make 90 from last time, plus the 19 still. And 90 plus 19 makes 109. To remove the 109, it's added. To undo it, we subtract. Adds to 0. S equals 10 minus 9 is 1. 7 minus 0 is 7. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So S has to be 71. Moving on to number 5. Since this is a right angle, we know that this piece over here must add with 38 to make 90. So I have the question mark plus 38 is equal to 90. Subtract 38 from both sides. And now I know the question mark is equal to 52. Now, I also know that I have two lines that cross right here. So in and this angle that are 52 are vertical angles, which means N is 52 degrees. Then I need to solve for M. I know that this forms a 180 degree angle because there's a straight line here. So we have 52 plus 38 plus 43 plus M is all equal to 180. 52 and 38 make 90. And we know that because it formed a right angle. 90 plus 43 gives us 133. And now we subtract that from both sides to get rid of it. This adds to 0, and M equals, that turns into a 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So M has to be 47.